Why was the Sherman so fucking easy? And there we friggin' go. Oh yeah, it's because I had the right tools, that's right. That's insane. It's too weak. That plastic shit is too damn weak. In the last video, we were taking the tyre out, taking the motor out so we could change the tyre and the tube. And we're going to pick up where we left off. But I did a bunch of other stuff, if you remember. So I was meant to just replace the tyre, which you have to take the wheel apart anyway. But you don't actually, on the 16X, you don't have to access the main board. You can just unplug the motor cables and just take out the motor. So it's pretty easy, but I did some other stuff too. I replaced the charge port cover. And what else? Oh yeah, I checked all the screws on the main board and I had to take off all this glue and reapply it. So I spent a bit more time. And we're going to begin at the 44-minute and 47-second mark. And what I mean by that, like if you see the last video, we timed how long I spent, because I just did it all in one go. And I had a timer going. So when I fast forward, you know, to speed up the video, it would speed up the timer in sync. So you know exactly how long I've spent on the job. And we had spent 44 minutes and 47 seconds up until the point where we're going to pick up in this video. Done. All right. If that makes sense. That's it. Tyre time. Whoa, that's very light without the motor. Alright, just those tyre levers. Where are they? Here. And just pry this thing out, and that's it. Easier than it sounds. Or harder than it sounds, though. Man. Maybe it's got a bit of air in it still. Maybe I should let it out. Am I using these things correctly? No, I wasn't. There we go. Oh, we need more of these. Where are the... I've got some more. Somewhere. Gotta find them. Oh, here. Got one here. One here. Come on. Let's let some more air out. Still got a bit of pressure. Alright, let's try again. Actually, I've got to find the other tyre levers. Got a better one somewhere. I can't find it. Oh, we're gonna have to make do with that. Man, this one really sucks. When I did the Sherman, it was very easy. It took like 2 minutes. This is not... I was using these ones though. No, can't find it, guys. This is not freaking working. It doesn't work. Look, I'm about to snap the tyre lever. See how much that's bending? Dude. See, look, it just bends. It doesn't... It's not strong enough. What the hell? Come on, you freaking thing. No, I need to find these other tyre levers. This is not working. And I can't find them. I cannot find them. This is extremely annoying. Oh, God, come on. You have to just persist with what I got. This is crazy. If I had the other lever, I could just pry it out on this side. It'd be so much easier. But this doesn't friggin' work. This black thing, see this one, it just bends. Look how easily it bends. This is fucked. Come on. Look at that, it just bends. See, it's just bending. It doesn't transfer the force to the tire, it just friggin' bends. Come on. See, this orange one is really good. Dude, this is fucked. Just use a screwdriver. So I'll just use a screwdriver instead. That's what I decided to do. Oh my God.
Come on, you fucking cunt. Come on, you fucking.
I can't believe this. I cannot
believe this shit.
You know what? I'm gonna just take note of which side this goes on. So when I put the tire on, it goes on the right way. So that goes on the left side. I'm gonna fucking cut this thing off. Screw it. So funny. So funny. Why was the Sherman so fucking easy? And there we friggin' go. Oh yeah, it's because I had the right tools, that's right. That's insane. It's too weak. That plastic shit is too damn weak. You fucking prick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, this is driving me insane, guys. There we go. Oh, I just undid what I did. Great. Come on! Come on. This is fucked up. This is fucked, guys. Oh. This is fucked.
With a Sherman, it took like 2 fucking minutes.
Dude, this is fucking nuts. I don't believe this shit. I don't believe this shit. Oh yeah, that's the back one. No. No, I can't find the other one I had just then. Damn it. God damn, dude. Oh, there it is. Sweet. That's something. That's something going. Yes, that's what you need. Yes, we're getting it, we're getting it. So in the end, this screwdriver does a much better job than those pieces of plastic. Designed for the job, supposedly. I mean, the orange one is alright, actually. It's not so bad, but this black one is horrible. It's just weak. Done. Fucking hell. Took a bit of work. Alright. So I'm gonna take this into the bike shop now with the new tube and tyre and get them to put it on, just so I don't risk puncturing this new tube, because that's all I got. I've got this old one too, but I've got a feeling I punctured it while I was removing it just there. I must have. Alright, that's it. Let's go. So that's it. We're going to leave it there, because I just want to make it like in 3 parts so you don't miss as much. Because if I make it all in one, then a lot of people miss the actual tyre Actually, what am I talking about? I don't even know what comes next, to be honest. But we're going to leave it here. And the next one is the conclusion. I can tell you that. All right. See you then.